Going to Mini Super Cerritos, cause it's one of my favorite stores. And they've got cold Pacifico, and that's my favorite beer. Wah, 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 wah. Let's go. Recio. It's hot. It's getting really warm, everyone. It's coming up on August, and it's just very humid. Lots of large clouds up in the sky. It's just that time of year down here in Baja, Sur. But anyways, I'm gonna get in movement because the air conditioner doesn't work anymore. Hey, we're gonna head down to the beach. I'm gonna go to the store first. Mini Super Cerritos, great store. I'm gonna hit it up, see if there's anything in there I want to take down, and then I'm gonna go down to the beach and hang out with Pops for a little bit. We're gonna try and get some good shots of Cerritos, and we'll see what else. Oh yeah, we're gonna get right here in the sombrita, right in the sombrites. Gracias. All right, we're heading down to Cerritos on the, I guess it's one of the main roads. For me, it's like the second main road because a long time ago, oh, hold on, we're not in gear. There we go. A long time ago, there was pretty much only one road down here. So, but now there's like 3 or 4, I guess you could say 5, depending on which way you come in. But yeah, so particularly excited to get down to the beach today, mostly because I just love hanging out with my pops down on the beach and jumping in the water. That's always fun, right? But the ocean, swimming in the ocean, that's always a good thing. But he got one of those DJI, I think it's a DJI MINI Mav 2 drone, you know? And they're supposed to be pretty awesome, pretty small, easy to maneuver and use. So yeah, we're kind of excited to check that out, see if we can get some good shots of Cerritos, maybe some good shots of the whole entire area. Maybe make a cool little vid to share with y'all. Anyways, we're pulling up here. Looking forward to this. We'll get the drone out, see if we can get some cool shots, go for a swim, and have an awesome Sunday. It is a Sunday here at this time of recording this, so I hope you're also having a great Sunday. And yeah, let's check this out. Vámonos, vámonos recio. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Whoa. Oh, yeah, you can see it. That thing's nuts. Oh man, I got some sun. Looks like there's a party going on over here. Yeah. little fiesta, you know, it's Sunday here. So it was a fun day. Got to get some of that swimming in. Got to get some drone shots. The little DJI MINI MAV 2 or Mini 2. That thing is sick. And yeah, finding one in Costco was a score. The DJI Mini 2 is dope. It's really sick. You get one if you're into filming and stuff like that, if you can. They're pretty cool and great price. Easy to fly. Plug your phone into it, pretty much just get it going, and that's it. So yeah, that was really fun. Hope you enjoyed the shots. Hope you enjoyed hanging out in this quick vid. It's a beautiful day here, and I hope you've had a beautiful day as well. Anyways, love ya, and I'll talk to you next time. Hasta la próxima.